Have you ever wondered what gives stainless steel its exceptional qualities? And why 304 stainless steel is such a popular choice in many industries? 304 stainless steel is a type of austenitic steel that contains a minimum of 18% chromium and 8% nickel. This combination of elements makes it highly resistant to corrosion, rust, and staining, making it ideal for use in harsh environments. Its durability and strength also make it a popular choice for construction and engineering projects. 304 stainless steel shafts, for example, are commonly used in manufacturing, as well as in the oil and gas industry. In addition to its use in construction and manufacturing, 304 stainless steel is also commonly used in the food and beverage industry, medical equipment, and even in the automotive industry. Its non-reactive properties make it safe for use in cooking and food preparation, while its strength and durability make it ideal for medical implants and surgical equipment. At Advanced Grinding, we offer precision ground 304 stainless steel round bars in a range of diameters to fit your specific needs. Our centerless grinding service ensures that each bar is consistent in size and shape, making it easier for you to machine, cut, and weld. From its high resistance to corrosion to its versatile applications, it's clear why 304 stainless steel is such a popular choice in many industries. If you're looking for precision ground 304 stainless steel round bars, look no further than Advanced Grinding. Contact us today to learn more about our products and services.